important when you don't get your flight on time, you get delayed, and you can be standing by some people and they get mad and they almost make you mad. You're like, man, I wasn't even trying to get mad, but they're making me mad. Never even realizing life may be protecting you from something. Like it's like the 9/11 incident. I was doing some research on it. I'll never forget. I'm doing research on it. Terrible incident. A lot of people lost their lives. Senseless act. And it talked about in this article the other side of it. And in the other side, what they spoke about was that morning, a gentleman had to take his daughter to kindergarten, and he really wanted to get to some meetings, but because he had to take his daughter to kindergarten, he couldn't make it to the meetings on time, and so he just called out the whole day, and his wife asked him that morning, he was getting dressed, his wife said to him, can you please take our daughter to kindergarten? He said, I really need to be at these meetings. She said, can you please take our daughter to kindergarten? I really need to be at work. He said, I really need to get to these meetings. She asked him one more time, can you please? I beg you, can you please? He said, all right, I'll do it. He called in, didn't go to work that day, and because he took his daughter to kindergarten, it spared his life. One gentleman on the New Jersey Turnpike, headed to the same buildings, New Jersey Turnpike, accident happens, breaks down, can't get there on time, and because it happened, a situation that he couldn't control, it spared his life. One gentleman got a new pair of shoes, walking to work, got a blister on his foot. He had to go back home, change his shoes, and because he had to go back home to change it, it saved his life. One gentleman walking down the street, they send him to get some donuts. A guy comes, spills some coffee on his shirt. He had to go and change his shirt. Because he had to go and change his shirt, it spared his life. The other side. Meaning things happening out of their control, and because it happened out of their control, it spared their life. Meaning at a certain point, when do we control the controllables? Attitude. When do we control the controllable? Focus. When do we control the controllables? Commitment, dedication, spirit, the energy and the passion that I bring into an environment. When do we control the controllable? I couldn't control. I got a paralyzed right arm and hand. I couldn't control my career ended. I couldn't even plan for it. But when it happened, I could step back and say, okay, life, I can no longer play the game of football, but let me extract that dedication and commitment from the game. I could step back and say, my arm and my hand is paralyzed. My dedication isn't. My purpose isn't. My arm and my hand is paralyzed. My work ethic, it isn't. My purpose isn't. My arm and my hand is paralyzed. My dedication isn't. My purpose isn't. Meaning my reason for why I first started, it never got paralyzed. And as talented, as brilliant, as strong as people are, it's the saddest thing in the world when I see people just stop giving everything they got to something that they once loved. Because I think we all know the raw truth of it is people don't burn out because of what they do. People burn out because life makes them forget why they do it. Meaning life hits them and hits them with something till they just like, man, if I got to go through that, like I'm not bringing it today, man. And every day is not a good day. Everything is not all peaches and cream. But that's why the culture is so important. That's why when the culture is set, we know what we bring to it, and we know how we get down because we know what we're working for, and the purpose of it is greater than any individual.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, Agent Johnson.
What's up, guys? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Sure. All right, cut to the chase. We're the Alabama guys. Any Alabama guys? Oh, I can smell them, right? I can smell them when they're around. Oh, they ain't right. They ain't right. But first.
We are live, guys. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? I know some of you guys may not be able to find my my live. There's one that says it would start at 10, but we did not start off on that scheduled video. So, oh, Billy. Thank you for the like, sir. Thank you. Love it already. All right, guys, we're gonna get. Okay, good, good. Thank you, Mills, for confirming that you guys can hear me. So first off, guys, welcome to your morning trade stock morning routine where we go over stocks. I'm mostly a day trader, come in and out of stocks, and I also do some long-term investments on some blue chips companies. So you guys are welcome to chime in on the chat room. Don't forget to share the YouTube live with your friends and family, and don't forget to like the YouTube, the Facebook channel as well. So we're looking at a few things today. I also have a Discord group where we have, it's called Black Wall Street, where we have a couple of members there, and we send out signals. But what we're gonna do Monday through Wednesday at 10 a.m. is come on this live and do live trades. Our daily goal is $100, okay? We may get more than that, but it's $100. But honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys already, pre-market, things been booming, and I already met the goal. Actually, met the goal for 2 weeks now already. But we, as a team, as a family, are going to help each other. Whether you're a beginner or a long-term investor, we're here as a family to help each other grow. This is the reason why I've created this. We are not charging anybody for this, like a lot of groups does, you know, but we're not charging anybody. This is all free. So let's get straight to it, right? All right. So what I was looking at this morning is Tesla. And as you can see, Tesla is on a steady rise. And I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to show you guys my broker account where I actually put in the trade, okay? And showed you what I actually accumulated for today, right? Let's look at what I've accumulated for today. So we're going to come to the accounts. And here it shows you I made 1,569, and the market already just started 30 minutes ago. It opens up at 9:30. You guys may know, but pre-market, depending on the broker, opens up at, it could be Webull. They do it at 4 in the morning till 8 p.m. I'm on E-Trade. We can start trading pre-market at 7 a.m. in the morning. So as you can see, I already took my profits off of NEO, and Tesla and Amazon. Well, I haven't taken my profits off of Tesla yet. I still have trades, and you guys can see my position. This group, this YouTube channel is a transparent group, okay? If I lose, you guys are gonna see that I lose. If I win, you guys are gonna see that I win. I'm not hiding anything. I wanna show you guys that you actually can make money in the market, and it's been very profitable. I will show you my month gain, but I will show you guys that towards the end. So the live is only gonna be up for an hour, okay? So towards the end, I will share the month earning. I'm not gonna show you the year earning. Of course, it's been great. It's been great. So that's why I want to share this knowledge with you guys. But you guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Follow at your own risk. But I will tell you, 90% of the time, I have made great trades. I haven't failed lately at all. I've been on a winning streak like crazy. So I want to put you guys on that winning streak with me as well. So we are going to grow, right? So let's look at something we can jump into, right? So let's get straight down to business. So what we have here, what I normally do my trade analysis is on TradingView. I will come here, look at my chart. Tesla still going up, and as you can see here, let's go to my position, and Tesla on E-Trade. Let's go to my position. We're gonna go to accounts, positions, right? So this should show you I'm not driving you guys, right? I'm not driving you guys. Today's net gain, okay? You can see the numbers are accumulating. People are texting me. They're gonna have to wait. Hopefully there's no issues with the YouTube channel. Okay. So today's net gain, as you can see with Tesla, has been $1,000, about $200. I already sold my Amazon account. which you can see here. This shows my order book. I sold my NEO. I sold 2 stocks this morning. I sold my Amazon stocks. I sold 4 of them. I had 4 of them. I sold them. I made I brought it late Friday, and it made me a $300 to $400 profit. What was that? It made me a $200 profit. That was just late Friday at like 4 o'clock. Put in 5 buys, and I sold it this morning because I need enough cash in order for me to day trade. So I pulled that cash out of Amazon so I can day trade with you guys this morning. All right. So let's look at NEO. NEO is one of my favorite stocks to trade. What we're looking for is the bottom, right? The support line. It seems like there's a lot of resistance happening here. Let me go to my trade analysis screen and put in NEO. We're probably going to try to take some profits off of NEO. Let's see here. And what we do, we just don't jump into trades. Okay, can you turn your volume up? Oh, okay, thank you. Turn my volume up. Let me do that right now. Mic check. Do you hear me? Am I clear to you? That's better? Billy, let me know. Is that good? Is that much better? Let me know. I know it may be a little delayed. Just remember, guys, yes. Boom. Thank you. I like that. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good to hear. So, we're looking at NEO, right? I'm looking to make a quick $100 flip real quick on NEO. Thank you, Donna. Thank you. So we're looking to make a flip. So what I'm waiting for right now is that we don't chase the stock, right? As you can see here, it's currently at its peak. I'm not going to buy there. I am not going to buy there. I am going to set my buy market margin right here at 1436, where it last hit its last support line here. This is where I would plan to buy NEO. Hopefully it hits that line and we make profit, right? So that's what I'm predicting it will hit. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually put that in, right? 1432. We do not chase. We do not chase stocks, guys. We do not chase, okay? Because by the time you hear about a stock, it's literally like sometimes it's just too late. Too late. Okay? So let's see here. Sorry, got a little distracted. All right, so we're gonna move on to something else because this one looks like it's gonna take some time. Let me put on the 5-minute chart here. So it's at 1572. The reach up to 1623. When you see these little spikes on the candles, that means there was a rejection. So this was its peak mark right there at, what was that? 1645. So it has the potential to hit up this 1645 this morning. Look like it's on its way down, right? So I'm over here talking and I didn't put my my buy. What did I say I was gonna do with that, guys? You guys remember? Said where I was gonna put this buy at on NEO. Do you guys remember? See if you guys paying attention. Do you guys remember? Put it in the chat. Do you guys remember where I was gonna set the buy for NEO? What's NEO? It's a electrical vehicle company that's in China that's looking to compete with Tesla. They already have vehicles on the road, so I look at them as a good long-term investment, but I'm just looking to get my profits and just jump right back out. All right. So this stock looked like it may be on a freeze or something. It's not moving at all. So let's move on to the next thing. I have also Plug. I'm looking at Plug as well. Boom. Okay. Ooh, this actually looks good. That actually looks good. It's at 893 right now. Okay, Plug looks good too. At 893, at that price, it does look good because as you can see what I do here, I have it on a 30-minute chart. And as you can see, it's been steady, right? It's a wave. It goes up and down, but it always touched back down to like $8.90 around that area, right? And it shoots right back up every single time. The way we trade is by looking at patterns, okay? Because repetition, right? It never changes. So patterns, and that's what we look to make our trades. And right now, it looks like it's going on a dip. We could set our buy markers at 850 or so. That's where it looked like it touched down the last time. It may not get that far down, but we'll see. Let me go to my E-Trade account, and let's see here, NEO 15. As you can see here, NEO is reaching its last support line, right? Let me put in right here at 15. I'm gonna buy at 1557, as you can see, and I'm gonna buy a total of 100 shares at 1557. I'm gonna do it for the day. Good for the day. That's all I need it for. Preview. It's telling me how much it's going to cost me for those 100 shares. Estimated about $1,600. We're gonna say $1,600, right? That's fine. I'm cool with that. All right. So if you see here, it's open, waiting to hit 1557. All right, and then we're waiting for it to hit 1557 and rise, go back up. Okay. Let's see. And look at it. It already hit 1557. Now it might go further down. Let's check it out. NEO should be there. Where's NEO? All right. So we're currently at negative $2, $4 for the day. So I'm watching this guy. I'm watching it. We're up $1 or so. We're just watching this guy. We're gonna watch him for a little bit. Watch him. And I have like XBA, this company that I've been sitting on for a long time. Remember, this is a transparent negative 1,000 on 100. I had so much faith in this company, but it let me down. But that's okay because what I've did in a day, this doesn't bother me. I had this there for like 2 months or so now. That doesn't bother me. As you can see, I already have it ready to sell at 600 shares at $6. Whenever it hits $6, it's just gonna automatically sell all 600 shares. I'm ready to get rid of it. All right, so where we at? NEO, negative $2. All right. So where we are predicting this, where are we predicting NEO to go? Where are we predicting it to hit? I'm gonna tell you right now. Where we will be satisfied. Let's see. Let me come here, NEO. I don't know why this is showing differently. All right. My chart analysis is not acting properly right now, but as you can see, guys, we're currently $10 profit. It is going up. Okay. I need to get to the chart. Come on, man. All right. So it's going up, right? Like we predicted it to do. I am going to sell here at 1588. That's where I want to come out. It may go higher now. It may test back up here, okay? But I'm playing it safe. Let's see. Neo, where are you? See, this is my problem right here. Where's Neo? $10. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna set it to sell already. All 100 shares. Okay. I am going to sell it at, come on, you guys need to work with me here. What did I say I was gonna sell it at? See, I have to exit out of here. Let me go back to my chart analysis. Chime in, guys. Chime in on the group chat when you can. Neo, it's going to hit, shoot, oh, it even say 16 bucks. I'm not gonna get too greedy. 1586. 1586, but it could potentially go higher. You could hold 1586. Let me go to E-Trade. 1586, 88. We're gonna make it 88 and make that a 20-cent profit. Let's see where you at, Neo. Up $14. We are banging it, baby. We are in the money. Now imagine if I would have bought, I should have brought more shares so we could have cut this $100 earning short. 15. Hey, thanks, Billy. Thanks for that. We're gonna sell at 1588. Let's see where I'm at now. Oh, 16 bucks. Hold on. Whoa. 1577. We have 1577. I said 1588, right? I am gonna sell all 100 shares. And we got a new, what we got here? What happened? Oh, we got a new subscriber. Welcome, Ravi, to the team. Thank you for joining. Thank you. We love it. Let's make money together. Let's grow. All right, guys. Where are we with Neo? All right, we are, if you bought 100 shares with me, we are currently $15 in profit. We are waiting to hit $15.88. I should have brought more shares so we could have just quickly made $100 and be out, but that's okay. Let's not get greedy, guys. All right, let's see. We still got Tesla. I'm thinking about selling some of my Tesla stocks. I plan on getting rid of half. Whenever you're getting profits, you want to take profits out, right? You just don't want to let your money just sit there. You want to take some profits and let the other money that you placed in that stock continue to grow. So I will take I have 6 shares of Tesla right now. I will take 3 shares out. My total gain, because I want to, in case it goes down a bit, I want to, just take my profits. So let's see here. Let's look at the chart for Tesla real quick, because I don't want to take money out when it's at its low point, right? So it's doing this wave thing right now. It is consolidating in this area, as you can see. Remember, pattern is everything. So if you see here, I am looking at today's chart. And it seems like the today's bottom, it's at 1706. So if you guys didn't get any Tesla stocks, you can possibly just jump in at 1706 or maybe even 1716, right? And immediately you can get a $15 bump on the upside, right? Let's check on Neo. What's going on with Neo? What's going on with Neo, people? It is consolidating around that same area. We're going to look at the chart. We got another subscriber. Oh, no. Somebody disliked the stream. Terrence Mobley. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Welcome to the family. So we are already up. What are we looking at? We need to look at something else because Neo, it's in profit. It didn't hit the marker, but we have to be patient. Let's not just take that $15, $16 out, right? Let's look at another one. There was a few I had on my watch list. CCXX. Let's look at them real quick. I had them on my watch list today. Oof. Now this is something that I do not jump into. The fact that it had a huge gap pre-market, right? It went from $10.82 or so, all the way up to $12.77. New beginning traders will look at this and see, oh, opportunity, this stock is going bananas. I'm gonna jump in, right? But the minute you jump in at 12, look what it's done. it went all the way back down to $11.38. So you will be in the negative. Your stomach will be crumbling right now. This is something I do not touch. I wait for it to catch momentum. I don't know where the support line is at, because it can actually drop all the way back down to $10, and you brought up here. Look at that, guys. Bam! NEO just hit. We in profits, baby. What did it sell at? $15.88. Let's look at our profit for today with NEO, even though we took profits out already for NEO. Today, look at that. I'm not sure what it was at previously, but we got gains today, guys. I would say, we'll say it's $20, $30 gain. I'm not with the calculating right now, but we're gonna go get some more money. Let's look at NEO again. So this is what we do. We see the routines with NEO. We wait for it to go and hit its bottom again, and we ride that ride. We ride the wave. It hits the bottom, we catch it, and sell it at the top. That's the goal here, guys. Now, as you can see, we might have pulled out so quickly. I'm okay with that. We're not in the negative, okay? Like I told you guys, you could have stayed on, but it may go all the way back up to 16. It can possibly do it. I was just not willing to take that risk, because I seen the last rejection was at 15.88, 89, but it looks like it's on a rise, okay? So we could still be in profits. Look, there's a rejection happening right there. As you can see, guys, there's a rejection happening. Where is it gonna go? We don't know. It still looks like it's going up, and we got sellers coming in that's trying to push that down. That's okay, guys, because you know what? What I'm gonna do the next time is I'm going to wait for it to drop at, let's say, 15.56. See how it's dropping down? Look at that, 15.88. Look where it dropped down. So you could have got those few little cents, but look, it's just dropping down. It looks like it's a seller's market happening right now. I don't like to be crazy all around with different stocks and stuff like that. So the next time it hits, I'm gonna tell you right now, the next time it hit this mark, 15.56, I'm doubling down, okay? I am putting 200 shares in, and I'm gonna do that right now. Let me go to trading, trade, NEO, 200. We're gonna buy this guy. What am I doing? I need to use this. All right, we're gonna buy at, and it's still going up. Look at that. It may continue to go up, so we don't know. But if it comes back down here, I'm definitely buying double the shares. Let's look at something else. What we're looking, let's see what GNUS is doing. I don't like this stock. I really don't. But whenever it hits this, I missed it. Okay, this stock, I'm always looking for it to hit this line right here, and it did it this morning. I'm always looking for around 220, 226, 230 area to buy. So at $2.20, you buy 1,000 shares, it goes up 10 cents, that's $100. Quick flip. Look at that. It went up actually 20 cents this morning. So we could have been up 200 bucks right on this stock already. But I missed it. I am not chasing that. I don't like this stock. I only will buy when it hits that low. So we move on. We don't get hungry, guys. We don't chase anything. We do not chase. So let's see what else we're looking at. There's, yes, SPAC. All right, let's see here. For the past 20 minutes, almost 30 minutes, it's been consolidating around this area here. It's very confusing. Sellers and buyers, they are very confused right now. They don't know what to do with this stock. So I'm not going to touch it because it's a confused market right now. I'm not looking to take any losses, guys. I'm not in the business to take losses. So let's go back to NEO. Let's see what's happening in NEO. There's only a few stocks that I'm looking at, guys. Only a few. Look at that. NEO 1590. A huge rejection right here, guys. A huge rejection at this line. Huge rejection happening. So look like it may go down, right? But let's set our buy marker in case it just do a huge dip, right? And it look like it's happening. Let me buy 200 shares at, no, what am I doing? Let me do it this way. It's right here for me at 1556. Wait a minute, 200 shares at 1556. We're gonna buy it. Boom. So this total market share value is 3,100. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and form our position. Now, when you guys see that 3,000, dude, you putting $3,000 on one share? Guys, let me tell you, it's not me necessarily throwing 3,000 out there and losing, capable of losing my entire 3,000. It's just leverage. You need money out there to make money, okay? So basically, let me show you, right? So for example, NEO, woo, it's coming down. Come on, come down. I need you to come down to daddy. Come down to daddy. Let me check my, come down to daddy, baby. Let me see. Ah, you know what, guys? It may go up. Looking at this, my analysis chart is telling me that NEO is going up. NEO is going up. It don't seem like it's going down. So it may not catch my buying price. But I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to wait, guys. Willing to wait. We have to be, this is a game of patience. And let's be patient. I would jump in on this, like jump on it, but let's take it easy. We'll be patient a bit. We're 30 minutes in. We only made about 20, 30 bucks. So, is there any stocks that you guys would like for me to look into? Let me know. Put it in the chat room, and I could tell you what it would look like for today. You know, so PFE, Pfizer. Ooh, this stock looks good too. I missed it. We missed a good stock here, guys. At what price? We could have got in at, well, it's not much gain. We would have got in at around 35 bucks or so. Around 35 bucks. So it's only at 35.50. It would have been a 50-cent gain. We don't cry about these, all right? So let's go to WeMe. Let's look at this stock. Oh, this is looking beautiful. Look like it's a buy, but it looked like it reached its peak for today. I'm not chasing that one either. I would wait for a drop. That's what I'm waiting for, guys. And this drop may not happen until like maybe 12, lunchtime. That's when I typically would see a drop in the market, is around lunchtime. And as you can see, like I told you, it's continuing to going up, right? But we're not gonna chase it. We're here to win, guys, not lose. We already got one winner, okay? We got one winner. Depending on how many shares you got, hey, if you have 50 shares on that NEO, that's all good. We're not taking losses today. Never. We're not taking no losses on this channel, guys. None. None. All right. So back to NEO. NEO looks like it wants to go up. It looked like it wants to go back to 16. I'm not going to chase that guy. Let's see what Amazon is doing. Anybody want to chime in on what stocks you want me to look into? I'll be happy to do that for you guys and give you my input. Another stock I think that you guys should invest in is Walmart, WMT. I'm also invested in that. Just to show you that I'm not kidding you. See? So they're competing with Tesla, all right? So newsflash, guys, in case you guys may not know. Walmart is trying to compete with Amazon. They are starting a $98 a year subscription where they will deliver your food the same day, okay? And this subscription will also give you access to like the sales before it's given to the public, right? You'll have the first dibs if you're a subscriber. So, you know, that first day, the same day food delivery and all that, I think that's great because people are scared to go into the shopping market, right? And grab their foods. A lot of people do what you call like Uber or Lyft or whatever these food delivery companies they're utilizing today. But Amazon or Walmart is a promising company long term for sure. I think it's going to go up, no doubt, just because of the service they will be providing. And I think a lot of people will be subscribing to that yearly subscription so that they can get first day or same day delivery. So great stock to purchase, guys. Just a little insight on that company if you didn't know. So WMT is the ticker, WMT, right behind me, as you can see there. And this thing in yellow that you see here, this is just the aftermarket. It's just showing, it is consolidated. But as soon as the market opened, look at that. It just took a dip. But once again, it went up on a rise, right? And I'm fine for taking these dips. I'm not in a rush to take out my shares in Walmart. Let me show you, let's just show you guys, right? I'm a transparent guy. I don't want nobody here to fail. I want everybody here to grow. Most definitely, right? So, WMT, where we at? Right here, guys. I'm already $55. I made $17 today in Walmart. In total, I only got 10 shares. I only got 10 shares. That's it. There's some shares I want to get rid of too. Like I want to get rid of Dell and some of these others, but I'll wait till it gets more in a positive, and because you know it does this, right? So I'll wait for it to go more in a positive, and then I'll sell those. VMware, Spirit, all these are my leftovers. And this plug, as you can see, is dipping down. I'm fine with that. I will show you on my next live that this actually went in the positive. Like I have faith in this company, but I tell you guys to buy at this price. If I was you guys, I buy at this price at $8.95 or 95 cents. I would buy. But let me look at the chart, and I can tell you most definite because I made money on this as well. Look at here. Let you know. Oh yeah, hold up. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Ooh no. So it's on a downtrend, but I mean it's still a good location to buy, right? And to sell will be at around $9.57. So if you were to buy this stock right now at $8.94, you are looking to make a 50 cent, 60 cent profit, 70 cent profit. You do the math. So yeah, I would jump in, but as you can see, guys, let me show you. Matter of fact, let me at that price, that's a deal. I don't advise you guys to do this, but I am going to do it. I am going to buy some more shares while I'm already in the negative. I'm already $300-400 in the negative. I'm not too much worried about that. Let me go here. I got 500 shares at $8.92. Look at that. All right. I am going to trade. Let me go to the chart. And let me buy. Let me buy right here. If you go down right here, I'll buy you $8.93. And I'll buy 100 more. So what that's going to do is just change my average price of what I purchased it for, right? Something just happened. Hold on. Move out of the way. Yo, just hit my buying point. So 100 shares. Don't tell me you're going back up. See, I might be too late. But fine, if you hit it, come back down, and I get 100 more shares even though I'm a negative. As you can see, my average buy-in price, guys, was $9.64. It just hit. It just went down 10 cents, $9.52, but I'm still going to be in the negative. I'm cool with that because I know the potential of this business, this company. All right, what else we're looking at? Tesla is still going bananas. Look at that. Still going bananas. I did say I was going to sell some of my shares on Tesla. That's a hard one. That's a hard one to do because look at it. It's just continuously to go up. And I just purchased this at 4 o'clock Friday. I'll show you guys. Look at this. My order book. Well, it's not going to show. It's only showing for today. It's only showing for today. And this is ACB is another weed company that I'm down like $200 on. I'm not worried about that. Why? Because I'm playing with the house money already. All right. So let's look at Neo. Neo is not doing anything. Let's go back to Neo, guys. See that? I missed it. Damn it. We missed it. It went up to 16. It didn't come back down. You see that? But if it did, oh, we would have banked out. But I'm going to wait for it to hit. I think it met its new low for the day, which is at 1584. It couldn't hit 1584 again. Let's check out some news. Let's check out some news here. Market. Let's see if there's any live news going on here. That's something that we always got to keep an eye for. Any news, good news or bad news? Tesla's jump up 12%. There's another good one. Where are you at? Pfizer. Guaranteed FDA. So Pfizer and biotech COVID-19 vaccines granted FDA fast track status. Guys, when you see something like this, I guarantee you the stock went up already, right? Watch this. Pfizer. What is it? What is the ticker for that? FPZIR? No, spelled it wrong. Alright. There you go. PFE. Right? Look at that. That's the one of the ones we looked at earlier. Good news is always good news, right? Look at that. Just went up. But we're not going to chase it because by the time we jump in, it'll probably be on its way down. But it looked like it's going to continue to rise. But I wouldn't touch it. And another one was the BioNTech. Let's look at that one. That's BNTX. But we got to make sure we're on the NASDAQ. Look at that. All the ones that was on the news went up for the day. We could have jumped in at 9 in the morning at, let's say, 78. It's about a $2 jump or so. But how many stocks we could have purchased at this price? You know, it's a little bit expensive, so we couldn't purchase so many shares, but that's fine. As long as we're in the green, right? All right. Getting off track here, guys. We got to make money. We're in here to make money. Ooh, SPAC. Who in this live thinks this is a buy? SPAC. Go ahead and chime in. This in the chat room. Go ahead and chime in. Do you think this is a buy? Do you think it's a sell? Do you think it's gonna sell off? What you guys think? about 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes. And I haven't shaked much, man. Because I got money on stocks already that's already making money. But, let's see. This chart is not moving at all. I don't understand why you're not moving, bro. Move. All right, let me go to E-Trade. All right, there we go. Come back down. Come back down. Neo, buy. I'm gonna go right here, 1586. And I'm only gonna buy 100 shares because, right, I predicted the first time for it to hit 1556, right? But look like the new support line is at 1584. So I'm not gonna buy too much at this rate, but I'm willing to buy more if it hits here. So if it hits this marker and then it continues to go in the negative, I'm fine with that. Because I know once it hit here, it's on its way back up, right? So buy right there at 1584. Look like it's gonna go up, but I'll just get 100 shares if it hit there. So another about $1,500 we're spending there. All right, so let's go to, we need to hurry up and hit something. It's consolidating around this area. 16. We could jump in for a quick cash, but I don't want you guys just jumping in on these things. Look at that, see? I could definitely hit the 100 mark right now, guys. It's just that I didn't train you guys to just jump in on these things right here. But I can literally make, damn. We're just gonna play the patience game. Let's look at another stock. We already set our two buying spots, locations, at 1584 and at 1556. Remember what I told you guys during lunchtime. This video is recorded. You will see a huge drop off. I'm fine with that $100 right there at the support line, because if it hits there, it'll continue to make me money. And if it dips lower and hit the 1556 marker, I will be at 300 shares. And if it hits that marker and goes rise back up, we're done for the day. We are done for the day. Our $100 goal is done. But one thing I would like to ask you guys, maybe I'm starting too late. 10 o'clock may not be the ideal to go stream, to go live, because you guys may want to start with me in the beginning. So let me know. I mean, if you guys want me to start earlier than 10 a.m. because the market opens at 9:30, we can start at 9, start looking at stocks, because that's what I've done before the live started. Look at Neo, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm getting excited. It's a huge rejection happening, but it needs to drop. It needs to drop. I know you guys are just wondering, why am I focused on this one stock? Focus on too many, you lose focus. I'm not trying to lose my focus, man. Everybody trades differently. There's another company called Run. All right, so for Run, guys, there's another one. Look at this. Sunrun is a great company to invest in. There's a solar company. So we got rejections all day today at $31, and it constantly, it hit 30 bucks, around 30.50 twice today. It hit that marker around twice today, guys. You missed it the third time. But there's a potential that it can come back to 30.59 or even 30.50. What you guys think? That's good. I'm up $8 in Neo. Oh, great. One time. Awesome. Up $8. That's what I like to hear, guys. Let's make this money. I know you didn't put in much shares, right? Could you elaborate how much shares you purchased one time? And where did you exit, actually? If you don't mind sharing. I like to see us in the positive, guys. All in the green. And guys, don't forget, share this link, this YouTube link with your friends and family on Facebook. We will be giving away prizes. We will be getting sponsors pretty soon from companies. So stay linked in. 25 shares. Awesome. Man, that's great. That's great one time. I'm glad that I was able to help you make some money this morning. That is great. Look at this, guys. Sunrun. It's hitting, it just hit its high point again, right? So what are we looking for, guys? What are we looking for? Patterns. Patterns. Look at this. It might have broke. It broke. Look at this. When it does this, it's gone, guys. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. See, we should have brought it, but it's gone. Look at that. Once you ever see a stock pass its resistance points, it hit its resistance points twice. It reached its high twice, and the third time, once it hit that and went over, guys, it's good. It's a good buy for the day. It's gone, but I'm not jumping on that. We're not jumping on that. We're investors. We're smart investors. We don't know when that drop is going to happen. Nobody can predict that drop, right? It's all off of the stock market happens off of human emotions, and humans' emotions are very volatile. That's why the stock market is volatile. So seeing that goes up, you're going to see some people get scared and they start selling off, especially those Robinhood traders. No offense, guys. If you're a Robinhood trader, no offense. No offense. I'm just saying. Right? So look at that, right? Look at that. See, you got some sellers happening. Some people's getting scared. Emotions kicking in. That happens. That's why I'm not jumping in. That's why I'm not touching it. Guys, we are smart traders, okay? We are not chasing anything. I'm going to say that 100 times. And another thing, if you guys are involved in other groups where they give you suggestions on what to purchase, guys, the time that you receive those alerts, the time that you receive those, thank you one time. Yes, I stream Monday through Wednesday, every day, at 10 a.m. But if you guys want me to start earlier, this is the first time that I went live and streaming. I went live streaming. I wanted to show everybody that live that this is possible. Look at this. Sunrun is taking off, guys. Oh my goodness. But we can't regret it. Yeah, back to one time, sorry. I stream every day, 10 a.m. But I'm looking for suggestions. If you want me to start earlier, please put that in the group chat. I'll take votes. I don't mind starting earlier because I start my day at 7 in the morning, looking at pre-market, looking at my analysis, looking at what I'm going to trade. Look at Sunrun. It's continuing to rise, guys. But I would have loved to have purchased it when it was at $30, right? And look at that. A whole $1.30. We would have hit our goal by now, guys. We would have been out. It would have been deuces. But once again, we're only one time, we're gonna look for something else, okay? Help you and the rest of you guys who are on this live to make some extra cash here. Well, let's see. SPAC. Let's look at SPAC again. Guys. Let's see. See, we looked at this before. Remember, I told you there's a lot of confusion going on here with the sellers and buyers. When it's like this, let me show you guys something. When it's like this, and there's a huge gap once again, the last time its lowest point since this gap was at $18. $18.05. I'm just gonna say $18, guys. $18, right? And since then, it went up. But this stock, because it's just consolidating in this area, it has the potential to go back down here. I think I said this earlier. It has the potential to hit rock bottom again, right? Or it has the potential to reach its maximum high. How long would it take to get there? It's unpredictable, guys, but that's a risk, and that's a risk that I'm not willing to take. I don't care if this stock went up to $100. I'm only looking to stay in the green. I'm not looking to gamble my money. That's not something that we're doing here. Good team, Robinhood. Emails. I see you, man. So you're a Robinhood user. I see you, man. It's all right. We love you, Robinhood guys, man. It's okay. It's okay. So we're gonna stay away from Neo, guys. I mean, not Neo. Sorry, SPAC. This stock that we're looking at here. I got a feeling during lunchtime it's either gonna go down or it's gonna go up, but I don't care. I don't trust her. I don't trust it. But what I do trust is Neo. Is my friend. Okay. So it looks like what's happening here with Neo, it's on a steady incline, but I would just buy it, but I'm not gonna do that because I've seen it so many times. Let me take you back, right? A week ago. Watch this, guys. Let's look at some history here. 5 days ago. Okay, let's look. Look at some history. All right. No, I don't want to buy anything. Get off my stuff here, man. Okay. So, let's look here. So around, let's see. This is all today? Yeah, this is all today. Let's go to the 13th. Let's go to, let's say, the 10th. We're gonna go back to the 10th. This show I can show you something, guys. I learned this stock very well. That's why I'm able to make money on it every day. And I want you guys to take advantage of this stock as well. All right, I'm looking for, the date, people, the date. Do a 10-day chart here. All right, so the 10th is right here, guys. Let me show you. All right. So, as you can see here, we started off with a huge gap. This is on the 10th. The 10th was on Friday, right? So, if you had your money in on the 9th, the night before, then you're a happy camper. Like, it just went up about $2. And I feel sorry for the people that thought, you know, it's going to continue to be on the rise, so they just jumped in, and then it just started trickling down, right? So remember what I told you when there's a huge gap? I'm afraid just to jump in it and just start buying stocks. So as you can see, it went down, and it went right back to where it was last, right? So anybody who purchased here was sick to their stomach, and they had to hold off, as you can see, for it to hit that point again, a couple days. What beginner traders do is sell off. As soon as they seen that dip happen right there, emotions kick in, and they think that it's gonna tank. So this happened to me when I was a beginner trader as well. Like, I would see it, and then I'll go on Google and be like, yo, what's going on with this stock? And then you'll see people talking about, oh, you know, it's overvalued, it's not at the price it should be at, it can go down, blah, 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 right? So then emotions kick in, and then we just start selling. We'll take the loss, you know? And we should have just held on to it. I know a lot of people say, you know, you should only accept a 4% or maybe a 4% loss. So you could have set your stop loss so that in case you go back negative 4%, it automatically take you out. But I'm not looking to take any losses, guys. Remember this recording, I'm not looking to take any losses. And remember, the positions that I'm in, some of them are in losses. Remember, plug, 362. I'm transparent. This one, $1,000. These are my 2 worst stocks. But guess what? I'm in the positive everywhere else. Everywhere else, I'm literally in the positive. What am I worried about? What am I worried about, right? And then, so Neo, what is, hold on, Neo. Somebody's asking about King Chevy, asking about Neo. What's your question about Neo? Is it something good to buy? Let me take a look. And Mills has a question. What broker do I suggest for beginners? I mean, Robinhood is simplified. It's simple to use. So thank you one time. I appreciate it. Thank you. But Robinhood is a good platform to use. It's good if you're a beginner because it's simplified. But there's 2 brokers that I would recommend. Once you get your foot in the door and you're getting familiar with it, I would say E-Trade, which I'm using, and Webull or Ameritrade. Those 3, I would suggest buying. Not buying, but getting into. Is that the one you were just talking about? No, Neo is NIO. I was not looking into this one. That's why I was asking, like, so it's NIO is the one that we're looking into. And guys, look at it. It's going up. It's going up. It broke is maximum high. So I'm looking for a huge dip. Yes, thank you, Eli. Neo is the one. NIO is what I am talking about here, and is what we're hunting for. We're hunting. So we're just gonna wait. So it has been an hour. We only made about 20, 30 bucks. But we actually made more pre-market. I actually made for the day, guys. Let me see. But this is our first day going live. Day to day, things are gonna get better. I appreciate you guys for chiming in and coming on here. But performance today, guys, almost did $2,000 for today. I still got money in Tesla, so I didn't really take money out of Tesla yet. I need to. I should. But I got a feeling it's gonna continue to rise. So I don't even know if I should take money out. This is one of the stocks that I believe in that won't take the dip. I believe it'll continue to rise, so I'm gonna leave it overnight because pre-market, I won't be able to buy at 4 a.m. Only the people that uses Webull that I spoke of earlier can buy at 4 a.m. And most likely Tesla at 4 a.m. will go up, and maybe towards the end of the day as well at like 4 or 3:30. Tesla may go up because people knows pre-market Tesla may rise and they don't want to miss out. So a lot of people may start buying towards the end of the day, guys, around 3:30, 3:40. Just keep an eye on the market, okay? So see how it broke its high. What happens when a stock breaks its all-time high? It typically tends to shoot up, and that's exactly what's happening with NIO. I'm not gonna say Neo, NIO, okay, NIO. That's what we're gonna call it, NIO. So it broke the top, right? And guys, I'm not gonna chase it. I'm waiting for it to come down. Remember, we set our buy indicators already. So whenever it hits, it hits. I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's move on to the next thing. Remember what I told you about plug to buy here? Look what it did since we last spoke. It did it. So if you brought in, hopefully you took your money out. I'm already in, so I couldn't get in where I wanted to get in. So it went all the way up, guys, to 958. Oh no, hold on, no, sorry. It went from 881. Now, didn't make much progress, but it's getting there. It's going up. As you can see, it's slowly inclining. It's a slow incline. So if you bought at 893, guys, you're in a good position. I wouldn't sell it. I'm already in the hole with plug. That's the thing. As you can see, let me show you. I'm already in the hole with plug. So, because I purchased at 952, right? So I'm waiting for it to go up at least 10 cents above 952, 962. So I'm gonna set it so I can forget it. So I got 600 shares of plug. I'm gonna sell 600 shares at, I bought it at, where was it? 952. I'm looking for a 10-cent profit, 962. So we're gonna put 962. And I'm gonna sell all of it. Oof, so I'm gonna sell all of it at $9.62. Another thing that you guys can do, right? And this is on most platforms, is the duration. So you can say, you know what, I'm willing to sit on this for a couple days until it hit my target price. You can say, you know what, I want to sell it at $9.62, and it'll be good for 60 days. After 60 days, this order will cancel. So I'm gonna set it right now just in case I'm out eating somewhere or whatever. I am gonna take my 10 cents. So how much would that be, guys? Right? So if you do this, $60. So I'll be up $60 when that hits. Right? So guys, hopefully you guys still in let me see Neo. Neo, where are you? Let's see how Neo doing. Neo, how you doing, baby? All right, you look like you want to. Ooh! It hit that mark. Ooh, look at that. $16. It's gonna go up from there, guys. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this, guys. I am going to, even though I said don't chase, I'm gonna buy another 200 at 15, 200. I want to hit this marker, guys. Here we go. Neo. Let me bring up the chart. Hold on. I'm not saying, guys, to follow what I'm doing right now. I did not train you guys to do this. Being a little crazy. I can be crazy at times. And I think it's gonna go up. I think it just may go up, guys. But it didn't hit my $16 or freaking marker. Let me see. Shoot. Come back down a little bit. If it touches down just a little bit, see how it's touched back down. I don't think it's gonna touch back down. Let me put 16. Here we go, 1603, guys. All right, so I'm in 200 shares at 1603, guys. I'm most likely in the negative right now. I'm in the positive. It's just there hanging right now, guys. $1.50. We're in it. We are in it. Well, I am in it. I didn't tell you guys to get in it. All right, I did not tell you guys to get in it. Look, see, I'm in the negative. I'm in the negative $5. And I took big shares on here. All right, so where is it headed though? Up 1 cent. Let me go to the chart. It's going down. And I don't mind if it comes back down to 1584. Put me in the negative. I would be happy. Put me in the negative right now in this drop. Because I know it's gonna go back up to $16. See how it's flirting around here? Teasing us. It's teasing us. teasing us. It's teasing us around this area. But I'll be happy if it drops. I'm just being honest with you guys. If it drops down here, I'll take it. I'll be happy. I'll be negative. But I know that my potential earnings are much higher than anything else. So as you can see, it's up 1 cent. Let me go to my analysis chart. Let me look at here. Look like it's heading downwards. This is telling me the stock is going down. So once again, I didn't tell you guys to jump in. I was just doing something crazy. We have to wait for it to hit. For you guys, wait for it to hit our target price. Okay? I do crazy things sometimes. And the crazy thing I did was with plug. You know, I did something crazy where I purchased it where it was high. This looked like it has a potential to go up. As you remember, guys, we purchased it at 8.86 or something. I think it's already up 10 cents or so. So if you guys purchase plug like I told you to, you're already up about 10 cents. I'm already deep in the hole already. Anybody get plug? It's only gonna go up from here. Put it in the chat if you got into plug, because you're earning right now. You should be earning. I know you guys are only gonna jump in possibly only what I jump in on my account here. But guys, I'm going over 13 minutes now. I wanted to hit. Oh, look at it, guys. Nio is going down. I'm in the negative. Like I said, I want it to be, right? I'm fine with that. It might have hit is, all right. Well, I'm negative what, how much now? I'm negative 20 bucks. 20 bucks, guys. I'm not gonna let this live go until we go back into the positive. I know it's gonna happen before lunchtime. Hopefully it happens before lunchtime. Our goal is $100. Our goal is $100, people. Guys, have you been sharing the stream? Have you guys been sharing the stream? Let me know. Comment. Put something in the comment, guys. Let me know you're still here. As you can see, guys, Neo is going in the positive. Boom! Let's go. Let's go. Let me see, where did it hit? What line did it hit? Where did it, is a new resistance line? Nope, right here. And it's still going down. It looks like it's still going down. Hold on. Yeah, it may hit our price point, guys. 1584. It may hit our price point. And 1556. It may hit our price point, guys. It just may hit our price point. No, it's going up. Look at that. Come on. Huge rejection around this area. I just want to go up 10 cents. Let me see where we at. We are, see? That's one thing I want you guys to understand. It's a volatile market. It goes up and down. When you see it going negative 20 bucks, don't let your emotions kick in. As you can see, it always go backwards. All right? Just be patient. Be patient. We're gonna get there. See that? And another thing what I've done is that I trapped it. I actually trapped Nio. So that, check this out. Let me show you the strategy that I just did. It's up, now we're in the positive. $7 or whatever right now. Guys, come on. We're in the positive, baby. Look at that. Thank you, Donna. Thank you. I appreciate the great positive feedback. I appreciate you very much. We're in the money, guys. We're in the money. We're looking for this to hit 10 cents. For 16 bucks, we could jump out at 15 cents, guys. We could jump out at 15 cents. Or even if we're not trying to be hungry, we could get out at 16.10. That'd be a 10-cent profit. And what, at 200 shares that I purchased that at, would be at, come on, you guys are better mathematicians than I am, right? Help me out. Well, I gotta do all the math here. 200. Goodness, people. Goodness. I love y'all though. $20, right? I should know that. I'm bad at math. What am I doing in stocks? And I'm bad at math, right? Oh well, it's life. I'm making money though. I know how to subtract and add. All right, guys, it's flirting again around this line here. We don't have to sit here and watch it. I'm probably boring you guys, but I'm leaving you guys in good hands. I promise you, I'm leaving you guys in good hands. Do you guys want me to stay on this live, or you guys have gotten a good hour out of me for the day? Put it in the chat room. Come on, let me know. In the chat room, let me know how you feel. Thank you, Tahava. I appreciate the positive feedback. We're getting money. That's what we're here for, baby. We're here to get money, nothing else, nothing less. So thank you for sharing. We will soon be giving away prizes, guys. Let me know if I should stay in the stream, though. Please, let me know, guys. Should I stay on the stream until this stock looks good? All right. So one time says stay until we close Nayo. All right. I will stay until we close Nayo, guys. We will stay. Where are we? Where are we with Nayo right now? We got to be in the profits. Where are we? Where are we? Where Nayo at? Oh, okay. We're negative $3. That's fine. We brought it at, that's why we brought it at 16. I brought it at 1602. As you can see here, guys, this shows you where I purchased the stock at. So I purchased it at $16.02. You might as well pay 3 cents or so. And it's at currently $15.99. We're negative $7 bucks, $5. But we're looking for it to go upwards. Come on, Niall. We know you can do it. We know you can do it. We know you can do it, mama. See, it's this flirting around like 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents area. It's just flirting around there, guys. All right, Viva Donna said, keep it going. We will keep it going, guys. We will keep it going. Let's continue to make money. Tell me what stocks you guys would like for me to look at. Let's look at SPAC. Let's go look at SPAC. Remember SPAC we looked at earlier? And I told you it was something I wouldn't touch because I don't know if it's going to go up or down because it's been consolidating around this area. It's still flirting around that area, guys. That stock is not moving. It's not doing anything. So I'm not paying this stock any attention. Moving on. But it can go downwards or upwards, guys. Remember, it can go all the way back down. Remember what I told you. It can go here and gets its reject like it did before. It can go right back down, okay? And remember, guys, if it goes above this reject point here, it's looking to go up. Looking to go up. And, oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. I think it just is going lower. Look at that. It may get all the way down to $18.25. Why I say that? Because recently, this was its previous low. Here, here, here. It's like a stepping stool, right? It's going lower and lower every time. Every time. You see that? It's going lower. It's finding new lows every time. You don't want to touch that. You do not want to touch when it's constantly meeting its new low for the day. I am not touching that. See that? See that, guys? I was on point. If I would have told you guys to get on this, you guys would have started screaming at me, right? You guys would have started screaming at me. But no, we're not touching this. We're not touching that. We can probably, it's good that it's doing this dip because now we can look at getting profits. But I would not take profits or look into getting into this trade unless it hit this area right here. And if it don't hit that area, guys, it's fine. It's fine. You know, we hear a lot about FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Guys, move on. There's too much money in the stock market to, you know, you hear people talking about, oh, guys, we saw stock went up $10. And, you know, everybody's like, oh, man, I can't believe I missed out. Don't be mad at yourself. Guys, We're in the green. Even if we made $20 for today, my wine time made $8 for today. Guys, you're $8 richer than you were yesterday. Just take the positive and move on. Your goal may be different from our goal, but as a collective group here, our goal is to profit and make $100. Now look at it, guys, right? It's trying to go back up, but I don't trust this stock, guys. Let's look at NIO. What's happening with NIO? Okay. Still flirting, right? I don't know why she likes to flirt with me. She needs to stop it. Stop it, Nayo. Stop it. Goodness gracious. Stop flirting. This is what it's going to do, guys. So, another thing, look at this with Nayo too, right? I might have jumped in too soon. Like I told you guys, not to do it, right? But I'm fine with it. Look at this. It went up. Find its resistance point is right here at this price. This is a resistance point. And it was, before that, it was at its low right here before it met its high. So here we're looking to 1590. It looked like it may hit that spot right here. Or it may hit 1584. But definitely it may hit 1590. It may come back down to 1590, guys. Look at it. Look at it. And it hit it. And it hit it. Now it looks like it wants to hit, look at it. It looked like it wants to hit our $15.84 buying point, guys. Remember that? Remember that? It looked like it's about to hit that price, guys. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Give me a thumbs up. Are you guys ready for this? Did you guys set your buying price at that price? Because once it hits that price, oh, it's coming down. Like I told you guys, I don't mind taking the negative. Look at the negative on my account right now. Let me show you. It's in the negative. Where's Nayo? It's $32 in the negative, guys. Don't let your emotions get involved because I know the potential of this share. Okay? It's not a penny stock. This is not a stock. Look at it. It hit our goal, guys. It hit our goal. 100 shares of Nayo, okay, at $15.84. Let's look at the chart. Now, it's either going to hit our second low, right? So hold up. Let's look at the chart. Look at it. Our second low, it would not go, it should not go below $15.56, guys. It should not, okay? So it's either going to go up from here and reach and come right back to where it was. We're going to have a lot of buyers come in. And there's a huge rejection. Look at that. Ooh. The market is confused. There's a lot of buyers and selling. They're pulling. They're pulling. Back and forth. Look at that. Now it's coming back. Guys, if you bought it at $15, what was that, 84 cents? What is that? We purchased that $15.84. You're already in the positive. This is where I told you guys to get in. Okay? At $15.84 is what I told you guys to do. I didn't told you guys to do the crazy thing I did earlier. Okay? But I did tell you guys to do this. And look at it. It's already moving. You're already in there, what? In the positive. You're already in the green if you purchased it at that price. Look at it, guys. Guys, look at it. Where's one time? One time, look at it. You can get your 10 cents profit and chime out. I'm not sure how many shares you guys got, but it reaches 10 cents. That's what we kind of look for. It's like the 10 cents, 20 cents, right? Because the amount of shares I get is about, I get 100 plus, right? Regardless of the stock. I can't do that with Tesla and Amazon, of course. But if I had somebody to loan me $1 million, okay, today, with no interest, and said, look, I will give you $1 million back, I would take that million and put it into Tesla. All of it. All of it. I would just put it into Tesla and possibly cash out in 2 days. And then give that million back to him. And I will probably make a few thousands of dollars, guaranteed. Look at it, guys. NIO continued to rise, guys. So at $15.90, we purchased it at, okay, not much. We purchased it at $15.84. It's on a slow incline. Fine. Hold on to it. Don't sell just yet. I will hold on to it. Don't be scared, guys, because you see it constantly coming down. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to get there. So do we sit here and pay attention? Nah. Let's look at something else because the work is going to do its work for us. Look at it. It's on an incline, guys. We're not worried about NIO. You can go ahead and put your selling price, set your selling price right now, regardless of how many shares you purchase. If you're going to sell for the day, set your selling price. You can set it at 16 bucks. If you're not trying to be so greedy, you can set it at 16 bucks. I'll say you can sell it, definitely. You can sell it today, 16 bucks. So we're almost there. We're almost there. So my average price, let's look at my average NIO price. Because remember, I purchased at 1602, close to 1603, right? And then I purchased more on the dip. So now it's at 1596. And I have a total of 300 shares. Because I purchased 100 more when it took that dip at 88. And I have another order to buy more if it hit 1556. So if this goes down to 1556, I'm buying more. I'm buying 200 more, even if I'm in a negative, because I know the stock is gonna go back up. Okay. And look at plug, guys. Look at plug. If you purchase plug, guys, I know I didn't do it on my live, but I'm already in. You guys see I'm already in. But I told you guys, buy the plug at when it was $8.94. Look at it. It's at $9.06. Guys, we have made our $100. We should have made our $100 for the day. I could not jump in it. Remember, I did. So let me show you. I purchased additional shares of plug right here, guys, at $8.93. It's right here. You see that? $8.93. It is currently at $9.06. Okay? And it went down a little bit. So that was what, 13 cents profit? So if you brought 100 shares of that, that's another, what, 10 bucks or so? You know? That's what we look for. Those little jumps. Let's see. Tesla's still doing its thing. Let me look at the chart for Tesla because I don't want to lose. Okay, see? It's consolidating too. It's flirting around this line. So this, like I told you guys, this is the scary part. All right, and this is what happens. I've been studying the stock market around lunchtime. It's not lunchtime. It's around lunchtime, 11:30. The stock market normally, you see what it's doing? Tesla is doing a little bit. It's going down. Some stocks go up, right? All right, so let's see, NIO. Let's see what's happening with NIO, guys. What happened with NIO? Yep, it's flirting. God damn, woman. It's going back down to that same price point. Yeah, one time, slow grind. It is a slow grind. It is a slow grind. Goodness. I normally come up quicker than this. Goodness gracious. What else we're looking at? Let's look at SPAC, guys, that we looked at earlier. Let's look at SPAC. Let's look at SPAC. See? Once again, remember I told you that the stairs happening? This was his first low. After the first high, it went low. It made a second low. It made a third low. It made a fourth low. And now I'm at a fifth low. Goodness gracious. I'm telling you, it may continue to constantly go down to here, or, let me see. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't trust it. But it could go up from here. Let me check my analysis chart on this, man. Something is just going on with this chart today. I don't know why. All right. 11:30. All right. Nope. I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch this. Not now. Plug. We're looking at the same stocks. Oh yes, there was Sun, right? That we were looking at? Sunrun? Sunrun. That's a good company that I told you guys about, and it's just been on the rise. Yeah. This may dip back down. I would probably put a buy area around here. Like right here, 31 bucks. And sell it like right here at 32 bucks. If I was to jump in on this one. But I'm just gonna watch it for a little bit. But this is a good company to invest in. Let me check my CCXX. Let me check that guy out. That one's flirting with the devil too. I ain't got time for that. What else were we looking at, guys? If you're with me, what else were we looking at? What else are we looking at? I don't do Bitcoin, guys. I know you see some of these things here. I don't do Bitcoin. I don't do none of that. It's too volatile for me. Even though I do own some stocks in it, but no, I don't. Not something that I would recommend for beginners. I don't recommend the Forex market to beginners. I would recommend the stock market to beginners, for sure. Much safer. Much, much safer. All right. What am I looking at? What am I looking at here? What am I looking at, guys? Let's see. Remember Pfizer, that company we looked at earlier, like it's consolidating. Oh God. This looks like a buy, but I'm not jumping in. I'm very cautious. As you guys can see, I'm just very cautious. If I miss out on something, I miss out on it, guys. Once again, I'm not in the business of losing money. I'm looking for something here. E-Trade. All right. Let's see. Nayo, what are you doing now? Yeah. It's flirting, guys. It wants to come back down. See how, remember those steps for that SPAC? All of them are currently doing the same thing. Look at that. Step down. Met its new low again. Step down. Met its new low again. Step down. I got a feeling, this is my thought process. It's going to come here. And it's going to do the same thing as it did here. See this area right here? It's going to hit here and then pew. But, guys, hold on, guys. What are we doing? What are we doing? Hold on. Are we in the profits yet from where I told you guys to purchase these stocks? Are you guys in the profit yet? Did you guys hit the profit yet? Let's see. I purchased NIO at 15.84. All right, there we go. If you're scared, you can hop out right now with some little profits. You got a couple cents. If you're scared, guys, if you're scared, don't let your emotions kick in, okay? But something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Something's about to happen. Look at it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. There we go, guys. We're in the money. We already hit that 10 cents margin. You should have cashed out. If you hit your sell limit at what? At 94 cents, it should have cashed you out, but you could continue to let it ride for the rest of you guys. Continue to let it ride. Okay? But that's already a 10-cent profit from where I told you guys to buy at. I didn't tell you guys to buy where I brought. I'm a little crazy. Don't listen to me all the time. But I'm gonna let you know when not to jump in at times like this. But you're guys, you're winning. You're winning. I'm glad to see you win. All right? I'm glad to see everybody here win. I win, you win. We all win. That's just how the game works, right? Boom. Guys, you can take your profits. They're 10-cent profit. So if you got 100 shares of this, you just got your money. You got your money. What, $10? You got your $10. You can continue to wait for it to continue to go up. It looks like, let me see. I'm gonna tell you if it looks like it's gonna continue to rise. Let me see. Let me look at my analysis chart. I'm not selling anything, guys. I'm writing this out. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you guys this. Hold up. Let me look at this chart though. I'm gonna tell you guys this. Hold on. Ooh, I'm getting hot. It's getting hot in here. Get some water. I'm on here for it. Oh man. Okay. Oh, it's going up. Okay, let's look at this guy. Alt, real quick. Ooh, this one looks like a buy. So when you see something like this, a short squeeze of a sell, when you see that short squeeze of a sell and then you have a green, typically it indicates that it's gonna go up. You see here, short little squeeze, and look at that, bar went up, right? Came down a bit, but these are for like day traders. Like you gotta be quick, in and out, right? We're not there yet, guys, where we're so fast. I gotta create short keys to buy 100 shares and sell 100 shares like immediately. So I gotta set up my short keys to do all that. As you guys can see, I'm a little slow, purchasing things and stuff like that. But guys, winning, we're winning. We are winning. Do you see that? Do you see that? Huh? Do you guys see that? I am happy for everybody, okay? Look at that. It went up, guys. Guys, come on. Share it. Share the YouTube channel, guys, with your friends and family on YouTube and everything, guys. We're all in the positive. We're all in the green. I'm not in the green. I'm happy for you guys that are in the green, though, right? Look, I'm still in the negative because I purchased at a higher price, right? Remember, I purchased at a higher price. So, but you guys are winning, okay? So, let's look at the chart again on IO. Look at it. Guys, if you set your selling limit at 16 bucks, guys, look at it. It already hit. It hit. Hold on. It hit. Yes, it hit. It hit. Guys, we did what? Guys, tell me, who sold their NIO stocks? Are you guys holding on to it? Let me know. Come on, talk to me. So you guys, everybody should be in the positive. If you brought NIO stocks, when I told you to purchase it at $15.84, who purchased stocks? Let me know. Chime in the chat room. We in the positive, baby. We're in the green. So you can take your profits now and run, or you can hang tight with me and ride the roller coaster. You see how it's going back down, right? That's what I told you. When we're day trading and we're swinging, we're just looking for 10 cents profit, 20 cents profit. We've already been out by now, but because I purchased at a higher point, I can't jump out. I'm not looking to take losses. So I had to actually wait for it to get up here, $16.15. That's what I'm looking at, right? That's what I'm looking at, and I'm gonna set my sell Actually, I'm gonna be a little at $16.15 because I know later on in the day it may go up. Look at it, guys. It's going back down. It's going back down. It's going back down. So, you guys are in the profits. If you guys are still in here, guys, put something in the chat room. Let me know you're still here. I can't see that my setup is. Woo, nice. Hold on. So T said, Tahaba said he got it at $15.50. Okay, so you might have got in. Hold on, when did you get in? Let me see. You got in at earlier at around. Might have not been in. Oh yeah, today, earlier today. Yeah, hold on. T, if you got in at $15.50, bro, you good. You good. You don't need to sell it today if you don't want to. This stock can literally. Remember what I told you guys. This stock can literally go up after hours. You guys see that? Look like it's looking to hit this area again. Okay. One time. Talk to me. Tahaba's talking to me. Anybody else on this live right now, guys? Put it in the chat room. Put it in the chat room. Let me know if you're still with me. Let me know if you're still with me, guys. Put it in the chat room right here. Come on. If you're not in the chat room with me, guys, I'm not here to trade all day. I'm just here to help you guys out. So if nobody's chatting or, you know, I'm gonna make an exit. I'm gonna make an exit. Exit. I done met my quota for the day, right? But it's literally not about me, but you guys, depending on what you purchase, might have hit your quota as well. But I'm sure I'm gonna hit the $100 quota. I already did that, but while you guys were viewing, I'm sure I'm gonna hit the $100 quota before the end of the day. I'm not sweating it. And this video is recorded, so you guys can go always rewind and check this out again. But now, you guys, you can hold it overnight if you want. I'm guaranteed it's gonna make profits. I'm actually gonna buy more. Remember, I already have it set to buy more, even though I'm in a negative right now, right? So Nayo, negative 31 bucks. I'm in a negative right now. I'm fine with that because I know the potential of the company. And yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, I was in. Didn't buy Nayo. That's all right. That's all right. There's going to be so much opportunity to come by. More opportunities to come by, guys. Let me know. Chime in the chat room if you guys want me to start earlier. If you guys want me to start earlier, like pre-market, so we could start doing our analysis as to what we're going to jump into. Let me know, or I'll continue to start at 10 o'clock. If you guys are okay with 10 o'clock, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down in the chat room. Thumbs up before 10. If not, fine. I'm fine with it. I'm here for you guys, so we can make some extra income. I'm negative 40 bucks, guys. Negative 40 bucks. I'm going crazy. Let's see what Tesla's doing. Took a little dip. Look at that. See, I should have sold it. It went down. Goodness, about 20. Sheesh. What's this? Golly, that thing is dropping. It is dropping. I'm fine. I'm gonna hold on to it. Look at it. In one day, guys, Tesla has made me $1,000. This is today's net. 1,100. One day. I'm literally done for the day. I'm not. Actually, I'm done for the week, but Thank you, Tahaba. Really appreciate it. Um, I'm not gonna sell Tesla. I was gonna sell it earlier. I should have done it. I don't know what held me back. I guess Nayo, paying attention to Nayo and all that. But I will sell some Facebook. Let me see Facebook here. Let me check out Facebook and what Facebook doing. Nah, see, Facebook took a dip too. I'm not willing to sell when it takes this dip. I would prefer to sell it when it's up here. That is a $2 drop off. I'm not willing to lose. Once again, I made $60 today with Microsoft 7. I made $71 here with all the negative and all that. The negative though not equating to the positive, so we're good. All right, so Tahaba said that he got in on plug at 905. No, that's a good buying price. I would sell at around here. Let's see, where is it? We got in at 905. It's currently at like 9. Yeah, it floats around this area. It should potentially. It should come back up here. Let's see here. It looks like its hit is low at 880. So you may see a little, it may take a little time before it shoots back up. But once again, you might want to be looking for a 10-20 cent profit off a plug. Not too much. And I'm waiting for it, I'm actually waiting for plug to go back up to 952. So that's what I'm waiting for it to do. 952. I'm waiting for it to hit way up here, see? I was one of those guys that purchased it right there. Why would I do that? Why? Think about it. Why would I do something so... I don't know. I don't know, guys. Sometimes you look back, like, why did I do that? I'm teaching you guys how to do it one way, and I'm doing the opposite. Like, yeah, but that's why you guys here, right? We're just gonna leave plug alone. Is there any news on plug? Let's see. Any news on plug? Let's see. Plug. Any good news would be great. Alright, so there was some news on this. So when was this? This was Thursday though. So that was the latest news that I seen on on Plug. Discusses the promise of hydrogen fuel cell technology and stocks such as Plug Power amid the backdrop of increasing electric vehicle adoption. I mean, the Plug is promising. It has potential. It does. It really does. So we'll see. That one, it seems like it's just gonna take some time to get back to its position. So we'll sit there and watch that one. Let's get back to Nio though, because I need to. What is it doing? Oh God, what are you doing? Look like it wants to go. It wants to go down. Hold up. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen, T. T is a Nio. Who's a Nio? 1550. Okay, you got it at 1550. This is what's gonna happen. This is recorded. This is what's gonna happen with Nio, guys. In about 30 minutes to an hour, Naya should go up. Naya should go up. I would say in the next hour. It may go up in the next hour. It's gonna take some time. So I just need to look for some stocks to look into. Let's see what this guy is about here. No. See, I hate penny stocks. Anything less than $5, guys, I tend to stay away. You know why? Because we could buy so much. In a 10-cent move, we're buying so much stocks, or what it will break your heart. A 10-cent move backwards can break your heart. Just imagine. You buy 1,000 of these, and a 10-cent move is $100. You will see a negative $100. 20 cents move out of the 1,000 shares, $200. So a lot of people emotions will kick in and start to sell. Oh my God, $200. Why so quick? And start selling. You lose $200. You're just like, you know what? And the next thing, 20 minutes later, it goes right back up, and you're kicking yourself like, goodness, I should have stayed. Emotions kicking in. FOMO. Come on, focus. So I'm not touching this guy. I'm not, guys, I'm not. Let me look at something here. Trading. Let me see what people are currently doing right now. Market. Clear this guy. Live action. Alright. Unusual calls for volume. Alright. So this company, Workhorse. WKHS, they got a lot of volume that came in. Their average volume count is 700. What this means is that is a potential rise on their stock, and it probably already happened because I'm just not looking at it. Now let's look at it. WKHS. Look at that. Look at that. Huge gap. It did happen. When you see that much volume come in for a stock, look at it. It went from 15 to 17, $2 jump. And then it's been on a decline. Remember, when the gaps happen like this, don't be too quick to jump in. You saw what happened to me on Plug. I jumped in, like right there, and then it's just been on a decline. But it seems like it's finding its position around this area here. So it looked like it may go up. But once again, this is another EV company, electric vehicle. So they're in competition with, you know, Tesla and NIO and the rest of those companies. I don't put my investments in too much of the EV companies. I'm only trusting NIO and Tesla because both of those companies have vehicles currently on the road, right? So that's what I look at. I used to be in Nikola. I sold it a long time. Not looking to jump back in. I'm fine with that. And Tesla continues to go down and disappoint me. I'm fine with that. Where's NIO at, guys? It's still, I'm negative 60 bucks. Could go negative 100. Because my ass jumped in at the wrong time. But let's look at it. See? Yeah, it's going up. It's all right. It seems as though it should not. Oh, look at that! It almost hit. Whoa, 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 whoa! What happened here? Ah, I missed it. Do you guys see that? I missed it. We missed the hit. Hold up. We missed the doggone hit. So it went all the way down here. Remember what I told you guys? This was our buying point? Look, let me show you. It just missed it. This was our first buying point where I said it should hit this area. And we just missed it by 3 cents. Guys, we missed it by like 3 cents, 4 cents. And we would have been positive, gosh, 20 cents or so. Look at that. I would have kicked myself. But look, once again, remember, once I told you to hit this area, it should be on an upwards trend from here. Should be on an upwards trend from here. Alright, look at that. Come on. Just sitting here watching this stock. Guys, I'm not here to entertain, but I don't think there's any reason for me to be here any longer. Just continue to watch your stocks throughout the day. Put your stop losses, put your take profits as to where you want to take your profit for an IO. I'm guaranteeing you that it is going to go in the positive. Just keep an eye out for it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 10. Nobody put in the comments as to if you guys want me to start earlier or not. So I will see you guys first thing in the morning, 10 o'clock. Thank you guys for joining. Don't forget, share the channel with your team, with your family, with your friends. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on Trading Gems, guys. Thank you for showing support. Much love. Stay safe. All right, guys. Peace.